It is possible to get a full 9 in IELTS reading. Really? Yes, it is. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the practical strategies that I have used and that has helped me to get a full 9 in my IELTS reading. So, let's get ready. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, welcome to Genesis Learning. If this is the first time we're meeting, well, my name is Noel and I'm an expert trainer here at Genesis Learning. In this channel, we do a lot of practical strategy videos that have been used and helped numerous students to crack through the IELTS, the PT and the OET exam. So if you are looking for any of these information, feel free to subscribe to our channel. I have already given a complete overview of the reading in a previous video, so you can check it out in the link below. The first strategy is improve your vocabulary before the exam. If you are not an active reader, then I suggest you start reading different resources like The Economist, Science Daily, or any other rich information source. This will help you to get used to the good vocabulary that you are going to face in the IELTS reading. The second strategy is time management. In the IELTS reading, you know that you have to spend 20 minutes for each section. There are 3 sections. However, even though that is the ideal time, it is better to spend 15 minutes on the first section, on the second section 20 minutes, and on the third section 25 minutes. Why? Because always the first section is going to be easy, then difficult, and then even more difficult. So therefore, make sure that you manage your time properly in the exam. The third strategy is to locate the keywords in the question. As you know, your question will have many words inside it. However, some of them are keywords. Keywords can be nouns, verbs, or adjectives. Make sure that you underline these words and search for them in the passage. That is the only way you can make the connection and quickly get your answer. The fourth strategy to remember is that the questions and the answers follow the same order. That means to say, the answer to question number 1 can be found either in paragraph 1 or 2, but never in the last paragraph. Use that strategy to navigate through your passage quickly and efficiently. The fifth strategy is keep moving. There are times when you will get stuck in the reading. You might not get an answer. It's okay, no problem. Put a small star and let it go. Move on to the next answer. In the end, make sure that you come back to these questions and answer it. The sixth strategy is to transfer your answers after each section. As you know that you've got 3 sections, and unlike the listening, you don't get any additional time to transfer your answers. So what do? As soon as you finish a section, make sure you transfer those answers to your answer booklet. The 7th strategy is to check the verb form and the spellings. Make sure that you are using the same verb form that is mentioned in the passage and also the spellings. Once you place your answer into the answer booklet, try to read that entire question and see if it makes sense or not. Try not to change the verb form. If you need some authentic materials for practice and some proven strategies to help in the reading, then get in touch with us. Log on to our website www.mygenesislearning.com. Drop us an inquiry and we will get back to you soon. We got good lectures that will give you the right strategy that you need to crack the IELTS exam, especially the reading in the first attempt. If you've got some value out of this video, then you know what to do. Hit that like button. Share it with all your friends to help us to spread the word. And if you've got any feedback, please let us know in the comment section. Till we meet again for our next session, this is your tutor, Noel, signing out. Ciao.